Everyone wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Hi, my name is V.
Hi, my name is Vilat. And this is Vivan.
And welcome to Learn with V3. Yay! Today we're going to make a
Raining cloud.
yeah. Hey, but where's Vivan? All you need is
Deep.
yeah. This is a gray
Marker.
not a marker, a crayon.
Clear marker crayon.
Okay? No, it's a crayon.
Hardboard.
This is some string.
Yeah. String glue.
Yeah, glue and
Paper white.
yeah, white paper and
Uh,
blue construction paper.
and yellow sausage paper.
Yeah, yellow construction paper
Pencil.
and
Others. Cotton ball.
yeah, a cotton ball. Let's get started. First, we have to draw the cloud.
Yeah. Draw the cloud. This much. This much. Like this much.
I don't know. You just keep.
No, not that much.
And when you're done making your cloud, color it with a gray crayon.
I'm blind.
Good job, Vivan. And it's fine if you go outside the lines, and I'll tell you why later. Like after this step, because the next step you'll see why it's fine to do it out of the lines for this one. And now get a cotton and do what Vivan's doing. While Virat's still doing that, let's cut out our cloud. And we're done the cloud. Now it's time to move on to the thunderbolt. Oh yeah. Okay, so now get some, what is this again? Oh yeah, yellow construction paper. And draw a Z, but the last line, you know, the one on the bottom, is going to be super duper long. And then do it again, and we're going to show you how to do it again, because you got to connect some stuff, and yeah, so we'll show you how to do it.
Oh my god.
Starting with the long one.
My goodness. This is so banana.
Okay, now the second part. Like that. When it's done, it should look like maybe like this. Okay, now let's cut out our long Z, which is then gonna turn into a lightning bolt.
Na 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 na.
What?
Okay. Sit down and give me
I love you. I love you in the morning. I skidamarinka-dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Okay, now it's time to glue on our Thunderbolt. Let's go. Okay, so now get your cloud and turn it upside down. Okay.
And we did it upside down.
Yes, just turn it upside down. Then get your strings. You only need 2, but you can do how much ever you want. We're just doing 2.
Yeah.
Haha.
And then, so we
It's
place
okay.
them down.
Tape the string on the cloud like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, the balls and the balls. Oh, I think what happened.
Now.
Press.
Ah, a lightning. Okay, so get blue construction paper and cut them out so they look like raindrops. And do different sizes, like we've been here. So now turn your cloud upside down and take your raindrops on the string